Hi guys, Avik here from the Global Developer Network. In this video, we are going to be completing FreeCodeCamp's challenge called Turn an Image into a Link. Now you might have seen images on the internet which when you click on them, they go to somewhere. So Instagram is a very good example. When you click on an image, it'll expand it and show you the comments and likes. So what we're going to do first of all is nest the image tag between A tags. So and we make a closing tag now. I've tabbed it so you can see how it's nested. So in it we're going to create a dead link using the hash symbol, and we run our tests, and there we go. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below where you had difficulty in this challenge and whether you like this video tutorial or not. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Alright, so see you in the next video.